All right, so the final thing we're going to do is review the in questions and then create a concept map. So if I go back to my chapter, I had some questions. How does distance affect the brightness of stars? I can always go back and check because the questions kind of go in order. And the farther something away, the dimmer it is. So I got that right. How do main sequence stars produce heat and light? I put fusion down. And that's right. That's pretty correct. I want to talk about why, because it gives off so much energy. What is a supernova? I was kind of right. It is when a star explodes, but it's a very specific star. It has 50 times the mass of the sun, which that's an enormous star. That's big, 50 times bigger. Why won't our sun end its life as a supernova? It's because it's a type of star that is. Only certain types of stars do the supernova. It's these big boys up here, and our sun is not that. And then finally, the areas around the black hole, that answer was actually in a caption. So sometimes it can be kind of tricky where stuff is, and it's X-rays. So I was correct about that. All right, so now that I've checked my answers, and I was here, I would probably want to make some corrections. So here, and then I would say like supergiant through fusion. Yeah. Okay, and then if you don't have space, like don't worry about it. Like you can always add space over here. So don't fret. Okay, don't worry. So here I want to make a concept map. I want to take about 3 to 5 terms that were important from here, and try to find some connection between them. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. All right, so mine was pretty simple. I just had 1, 2, 3, 4. I picked star, fusion, visible light, and absolute magnitude. Again, you don't need to know this stuff. And then I just tried to connect them, and everything kind of went to visible light, which I thought was interesting. Remember to try to find words that connect the terms, and they can only go one way. All right, well, enjoy this. Again, the more you practice this, the more you're going to be able to learn from anything, which is an incredible thing to be able to do. Bye, everybody.